So this friends is the day we went on the desert safari. So they pick you up from your hotel, they drop you for all of the desert safaris. It's a long drive because they take you right into the desert. And the first part that you do is this amazing sand duning, which is in the desert. Okay, it's amazing. I mean, I'm a person, I'm really scared of roller coasters and all these really scary rides, but this was something you shouldn't miss. So if you're like me and you're really scared about roller coasters and adventure and everything, do this because you're secure in your car. You have your seatbelt on. The cars are really amazing. They're like really made for this terrain. The drivers are so experienced, and I was sitting at the back of the car, and my family was sitting in the front, and me and my daughter were sitting at the back, and we enjoyed the most because we were getting all the bumps, and it was hilarious. We were like screaming and really enjoying ourselves. So I suggest that if you go for the desert safari, don't miss out on the sand duning. Don't be scared. It's really a good experience. So have fun on this ride if you're planning to go. And then after that, of course, we did the camel ride, and then they take you for this show where they have a seating arrangement, and then they give you food. It's like a buffet. The food is not that great because you know what, they're preparing it in bulk, so they have like all kind of kebabs, and they have some Chinese and everything. I mean, it's not that great of food. Like the taste is not really great because they're cooking for so many people. It's always very crowded, and it does get very cold in the night, so don't forget to carry some warm clothing. They do have washrooms, and they have water available at all times. And so I'll leave you with the rest of the video. So it's a really amazing experience, so enjoy the video. And then of course was this lovely camel ride. So me and my husband, we went on one of the camels, and my kids went on one. So my kids had already finished with their camel ride. But this is a very short camel ride. It just takes you like for one round. If you want to take a real long camel ride, then it costs you a little more, and they take you, I think, for around 10 minutes. But I guess this little camel ride was enough for me. But it was fun. Just when it's just a little scary when the camel is, standing up and then sitting down. Just a little, not that scary. But it was fun. It was a nice experience. to Global Village on, I think, the second last day. And Global Village is, you require, like, it starts in the evening, I think from 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. Again, we book tickets online, so then we didn't have to wait for booking the tickets. But you require, first of all, very good walking shoes and a lot of stamina, because it's humongous. You require at least like 5 to 6 hours, more than that, if you want to see each and everything. So basically, Global Village has got all the countries, all the continents. And you go inside. For example, if you say Japan, so you go in Japan and you get all, whatever you could, like all the Japanese goods. If you go to Korea, you get some cosmetics. So each place has got, there's India, and each place has got all its special goods and products. Now, I would highly recommend that you buy baklava, because it's just amazing. And I mean, all different kinds of stuff. I mean, I'm not going to show you what you get there, because then it will totally kill the suspense. So I'm just going to show you a few countries. I've not even covered like half of what the countries that are there. But yes, we were tired at the end of it. But then you do have an option of taking a kind of a cart, electrical cart. You have to pay a little extra, and that you can just move around more easily. Even small kids, they have the small little trolleys, or cycles, where automatic cycles, where they can just be pushed around. uh, then we ate this lovely, I think, corn dog. It was amazing. The food is amazing at Global Village. You get all different varieties of food, and it's really an experience. But you require a lot of time, and you have to really have the patience of going and seeing every place, and looking at all the variety of things. But it was a good experience. So I hope you're enjoying watching this series. I'm just sharing some snippets of our trip with all of you. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a big like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, and leave your comments in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Bye.